This is a quick overview on Directory Creator. It's a plugin out by Alex Barr, and it's a mass page builder that works really fast. What you can do is build pages for a nationwide site within a matter of an hour or so, maybe less. Just depends on your hosting. So I wanted to go over and show basically how it works. And here's what I've done. This is my keyword I'm targeting, best website design company, and then my California CSV list because I want to go after California. And I only added 20 cities here. But you can. There's another sheet that comes with all the U.S. cities, and this is just a demo, so I wanted to show it making 20 pages. What I did was add in a city name shortcode, so that way it would pull off the CSV, so it localizes the content and doesn't come up as duplicate content. And this is just an article that I had written recently. And so I'm going to go after 20 cities right now and just submit it while I'm recording, so that way it's a fast video and you can get a general picture of what it does. Directory is being created. Shouldn't take that long here. Makes a little a sound when it's done. And that's it. That's all it is. That's how easy it is to make mass pages with Directory Creator. Check it out in the link below. And Alex Barr is a very good plugin. I've used it in the past. I was actually one of the first ones to use it. But yeah, this is a great way to make a mass page site quickly and fast. It's a couple of steps, and you can have a page in every city. You do rank and rent, pay per call. You know, the sky's the limit.